Pakalawhale atu kia mutulusi kauku konili lavaye. Today I'm going to teach you the Niuean vowels. What's the first letter? A, apala. A, apala. E, elefane. E, elefane. I, ika. I, ika. O, okioki. O, okioki. U, unga. U, unga. A, E, I, O, U. Now I'm going to teach you the Niuean numbers. Taha, ua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, iwa, hongafulu. One more time. Taha, ua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, iwa, hongafulu. That was a short lesson for today. A, E, I, O, U. And the numbers. Taha, ua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, iwa, hongafulu. I hope you learned something today. Whakolahi koe kia.